Welcome, this is Siddharth. Today we are going to delve into how to write an invitation and reply. Invitations form an important part of social dealings. An invitation is a request to an individual. The reply to an invitation can be accepting or declining. The quality of a good reply is that it must always be pleasant. Invitations can be formal invitation, printed invitation cards, formal type, handwritten, letters. Read the question carefully, be polite, to the point and don't beat around the bush. Informal invitations are for the people you know well, friends, family, relatives, others. You can be casual but be polite and respectful. Format is important, so choose it carefully. Do not skip any part or subpart of the format. RSVP, this elegant abbreviation comes from the French phrase, répondez, s'il vous plaît, which in English means, please respond. RSVP is essential. Format of formal invitations in letter form. Use this example. Write invitations to the principals of some prestigious schools inviting the names of 2 brilliant students from each institution to attend their counseling session free of cost. Follow the pattern of ordinary personal letters. Written to relatives, friends and acquaintances. These letters are first or second person presentations. Here is a sample question. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time and date. Do not exceed 50 words. Now use this answer to clear your doubts. Formal replies. Usually very short, brief and to the point. No room for unnecessary details or superfluous matter. Acknowledge the invitation. Express thanks in third person. Mention acceptance, regret. Specify the reason for refusal. Brief and specific. Formal in tone and treatment. Here is a sample question. Respond to the invitation by writing a letter to the secretary of the club. Now read the answer to clarify any doubts. Acknowledge the invitation in first person. Use second person for the sender of invitation. Mention acceptance, regret. Specify the reason in case of refusal. Use warm and simple language. Here is a sample question. You have been invited to attend a birthday party of your closest friend. Respond to this invitation. I hope all is clear after understanding how to write invitations and replies. See the CBSE playlist for all the content, concept overview, for class 12. Thank you.